Instagram continues to chop and change. And so I thought it might be helpful to catch you up on all the latest updates and some of the features you might have missed, because there've been quite a few. And to keep it to the point, I'll be giving you the top 10 Instagram updates of 2023 in under 5 minutes. Let's go. Multiple links in bio. Linktree is going to be upset about this one. The newest update, you can now add up to 5 links on your Instagram profile. I already have this one, and in my opinion, the way it is laid out at present on your Instagram profile isn't the best, but it is long overdue. So make sure you are utilizing those links to any other channels, mailing list signups, websites, or any products that you might have. Gifts to creators. If and when you get this one, I think it's a great move by Instagram to help creators earn a little more for the work, effort, and knowledge they put into their content. This allows people to purchase gifts and then send them to the creators that they enjoy and like the work of, who can then exchange them for money. I don't have this feature yet, but I'm always up for supporting creators and any feature that helps a creator make a living. The new trending Reels screen. I don't have this yet, but definitely useful. A place to go in the app to see strong performing content and the audio that goes with it. Not sure how much this will be tailored to you or your interests, but I think filters for it would be a good option. Channels, a way of people joining your channel so you can give them more of an insight and build up a more active community around the common interest of your content. A nice controlled way of you putting out some more content in a chat forum, but you won't get the influx of loads of people replying back. It's not available to me yet here in the UK, but I have signed up on a wait list. The new Reels editing screen. Love this update, but I have to say it's a complete swipe from YouTube Shorts. Now you can edit different types of media within your Reels on different layers. So your titles and your text, your music and your videos and your images are all on different layers for you to trim and edit kind of all at the same time on the same screen. In my opinion, this is the best and easiest type of layout I've seen so far to edit your video content within the app. Insights. The Insights layout has changed, but more than that, I wanted to bring your attention to this bit of data that is now available for your Reels. Again, think YouTube introduces first, but hey, the key metric to look out for after publishing your Reels is watch time and average watch time. This can help you to see how long people are watching your Reels for, and then you can link that to how well the content is performing. Notes. I have this one on my personal account, but not on my creator account. It's a little comment bubble that appears at the top of your DM inbox next to account profile images. I see it as like a status update, a tweet within Instagram. I've used it, but not sure it is necessary, and I haven't seen anyone use it well yet. Reels topics. This one is more of a reminder, it's been out a little while. When you create your Reels, you get to choose up to 3 different topics that is associated with the content that you've made. I think there needs to be better topics. I mean, to start with, there isn't even a category for social media on there. But if you aren't using topics, I'd say it's a must right now to help the reach of your Reels. Reels templates. A simple way to help you create Reels easily. With the audio and the timing of your edits already pre-populated, you just choose the media. Any images or videos that you want to add, and choose where in the edit that you want to place it. A useful update for anybody who wants to create content that saves time. Gesture control, helping you to set up your phone and record content when on your own and from a distance. Hit the gesture control, and then when you're ready, wave at the camera. It will recognize this wave and start the recording. This is just a helpful little content creation tool that helps you when recording your content in certain scenarios. Hopefully this quick update has helped, and you'll consider using some of these features when creating content for Instagram in the future. No doubt there'll be more updates and more changes to Instagram before the year is out, so make sure you're subscribed for future videos. Any questions? Leave them in the comments. More videos coming soon. Until the next one, peace.